The board looks at this company in Canada that's been in existence now since nearly 70 years or so. And why do we have a manufacturing site in Canada? Why should we make something in Toronto in Canada when a couple hundred miles from Toronto we have a huge infrastructure of manufacturing facility? And at that time, the board basically, the end goal was shut it down, put a warehouse. And this is one thing the Canadian must fight and do everything possible is not to turn this country into a country of warehouses, where the only thing we do is inventory product made in other parts of the world. Convinced that by right-sizing the company and becoming lean and productive, we could turn this thing around. And that was in '92. Today, we have a manufacturing facility in Leaside, where the original plant was put together in 1939. We have the automation and sales here in Mississauga, just off Dairy Road on the other side of the 410. We have our aluminum business also in the same location. And we today have 260, 270 people, and at Indalco another 100. And Lincoln Canada sales last year were just over $200 million. Compared that to the $20 million in 1992. What can we as manufacturers do to basically drive the cost of our labor down and allow us to improve the productivity and lower our costs that allows us to stay in business and increase the employment rather than decrease it? And I think when we do that, automation is key. The future of manufacturing in Ontario and in Canada is up to us, the people in this very room. It's all, each and every one of us can make a difference in terms of maintaining and increasing the manufacturing capability in our country, because I truly believe that the value creation is in the manufacturing sector. I'm sorry, but the others are there that feed on the manufacturing people. It's the only part of our economy that takes a raw material, adds human labor into it, and then transfer into something, creates something that is of value and something that is usable to improve and enhance our standard of living. So do everything possible to protect this manufacturing base of ours, because it has diminished in the last number of years. And I think is look at productivity, look at ways and means of driving the cost down.